So hi everyone, in this video we'll be discussing how you can get reactivated your Chegg account once it gets deactivated. So यार basically Chegg what does Chegg do is Chegg हर कुछ दिनों में आपके questions को आपके content को review करता है and the time frame of this review depends on the number of questions that you are solving. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा questions solve कर रहे हो तो reviews will be very frequent and the number of questions that you are solving is very less and then review will take time. So here what was happening in the month of May, April, May, June. The question flow for me was quite high, so like the question flow was very good and I was solving too much of questions, so there were very frequent reviews for me. So in the month of July I got my first bad review. So this was the review, like they reviewed 8 of my questions and like all of the questions were not matching their standards, so they just given me they had given me the grades like 2 and 2.5 and 1.5, like which is very poor in terms of their norms and their specifications on the basis they judge a particular expert. So after the when my cumulative grade was below 3, and when it comes to below 3 and it is called failed quality review. So yeah, this was my first review where I got failed. So after the first this was a kind of a warning and they will just keep you in a probation period of 7 days. So what happens जब आपका एक बार once you get a failed review, what they will be doing is that they will be giving you another chance, and if you do not improve then they will be revoking your account. So this same happened to me. So this review came in the month of July, so this was a failed review, and in the month of September I got another mail from Chegg, and the mail was stating that my Q&A answering account has been revoked. The reason was very simple, because I was not matching the standards, I was not matching the quality standards that was given by the Chegg. So now what happens once your account is being revoked? Can it get activated again? Yes, it can get. Yes, you can activate your Chegg account again. So what actually happens is when I just got this mail, I just simply wrote a mail to them and stating that I had solved this many questions and I have been doing great since last 4 months, and this was just a particular short time frame where I got failed and I'll just improve. So something ऐसा कुछ मक्खन मार के types you have to write a mail to them. And now what they will be doing is that most likely they will be just looking at your profile, number of questions you have solved, how many upvotes you have got, and the time frame where your quality has deprecated. So after a lot of inspections, they will decide whether they want to activate or they want to activate or not to activate your account. So I was a bit lucky, and then they just activate my account again. So after that, after a couple of days, I just sent them this mail on 11th of September, and after a couple of days, I think it was in so after around 2 months, 1.5 months, I got a mail from Chegg that my request of reactivation of my account has been approved. So this reactivation of account basically depends on the quality of questions that you have previously solved before getting revoked. So they will be looking to your entire Chegg journey, and most likely in most of the cases they will reactivate in the dire need of people to solve questions. So most and right now also they are in the dire need of people to solve the problems on Chegg platform. So what they will be doing, they will be just reactivating your accounts, and it will take 1 or 2 months, but yes, so it will get reactivated and you can just start solving another question, solving questions again. But be sure that this is your last attempt. Now from this onwards you will never get a warning. They will just simply revoke your account, and there will be no concession from here onwards. You will not be getting any chance to send them a mail or to request them to reactivate and to apologize them. So this is going to be a final call. So if your account gets revoked, just try to reactivate by sending them a mail, and then after, if it gets reactivated, then it's a very good, it's like going to be another chance on the same platform. But from this onwards you will not be getting any warnings. What you will get another revoke from Chegg if you do not qualify according to their norms of quality content. So that's it in this video.